Hey, I want you to understand how adding SSL encryption to your WordPress-powered content is important. To make sure your domain has active SSL certificate, you use these following steps. I've got it in the Google document too if you don't keep up with what I'm saying. And that document, if you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, it's going to have the steps where you go into your dashboard in WordPress, navigate down to the upgrades and click on domains. And that's going to be in the WordPress admin, okay? And that dashboard. So you click on the name of the domain, and then on the right-hand side, you scroll down to domain security, and it's going to tell you if there's an active SSL certificate on that domain name or not, okay? And it also has a link, and I've got that in the Google document as well, as an explanation of what SSL is and how it protects your credit cards and private information and so forth. So I've got them so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.